Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm TJ and today I'm bringing you something you've asked for. You guys really enjoyed my previous review of this brand, so I picked up another. So without further ado, let's take a look at the Spirit mobile case from Body Glove for the Samsung J4. On the front of the box, we have its listed features as well as a photo of the case itself. It is ultra thin, lightweight and flexible, shock absorption, supports wireless charging, it's been drop tested. On the left and right you have the text Body Glove. On the back you have some more info on the Body Glove company. Presentation is good. Once you open the flap, you are presented with more of the same information from the front. You can pause and read it. Let's get this opened. Here is the actual case. First impressions, it is extremely thin. This is not going to give you drop protection. It's very soft and I can see the scratching easily. They should have built a steel frame to add some rigidity to the case. There is a slight lip around the camera cutout. This section looks like it will peel out due to wear and tear. Let's get the phone installed and see how it looks. Right off the bat, it's very slippery. You do have a very small lip protection around the screen. I would not place the phone screen down like so. This case is too soft. Looking at the back, it does look decent. I'll give it that. You have a cutout for the camera and the speaker grill on the back. The volume buttons on the left, and they feel good. Let's power on the phone with the button on the right. It feels good. There's good feedback. Here we have a cutout for the notch, which allows you to open the phone. I don't understand why do manufacturers keep doing this. Why do you have a cutout in the case for something that you can't use? No one is going to open their phone while the case is installed. It makes no sense. All this does is allow dust and particles to get in between the phone and the case. If any manufacturer is watching this video, do the consumers a favor and cover this. No one needs an extra place where dust is going to get in. That's my rant for this video. Getting back to the review, I like the color. On the bottom of the case, you have cutouts for the micro USB port, microphone and headphone jack. The cutouts are not so precise as it's not centered, but I don't see this as an issue. You still have enough clearance. All in all, taking the cost of 169 South African Rand for this case into account, it falls in the entry-level segment. It provides basic scratch protection for someone who doesn't drop their phone often, if at all. Someone who wants something minimal and slim. If anyone is interested in this phone, make sure to check out my unboxing video via the link above. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you will be notified when I release new content. And let me know in the comments below, do you prefer using a case on your smartphone?